Hi guys, good to see you again. I'm on my way to my next project. It's gonna be mural for Airbnb house, pool area on the backyard. So the guys did found me. We've already prepared the design because some design company created for them. So I checked it, and we're going to use the spray cans and brushes over there. It's gonna be sign Miami on the vector design, pretty simple one, and the smooth gradient of the sunset sun. I think it's gonna be very interesting to show you how to work with that kind of projects. What's up?
Okay. Set it up for like. It comes behind the
Details.
It stays as its own eye.
Today is the first pretty much simple day. I came evening time to easy work with the projector because again, like I said, we have exact measurements, so we're gonna make perfect copy of the design to the wall. Took me an hour and a half or two, a little bit longer than I thought. The reason why, because we had two issues. The first with the design, and it's always happening because the design on the laptop or any digital design, it's always different compared to real wood wall and real mural. And we had to play with some elements to squeeze it a little bit and make it wider to avoid the some elements which wasn't attached on the guy who did the design. What else? Tomorrow morning I'm coming to mix the colors from the palette which the client gave me, and be back to continue working. Here we are, it's Home Depot, and we're going to mix the colors. Yesterday I did the tracing lines, and I'm gonna show you what did I change. The first, we had that spot where the palm tree like an eye connected to the safeguard building, so we decided to push it a little bit away, and I kept the same spaces for proportions like everywhere. So the next one was the building. I changed the size of the building, because when I projected like it's supposed to be, we could lose the letters. Even we can lose the kind of windows over here. So I tried to find and scale the whole building and tried to find the perfect size to still have on the perfect places. So you can see we don't lose anything. And last thing, I pushed the last palm trees a little bit away from the building to have the finished composition in a perfect center. So we have the same space to the end from the last palm trees, same like over there. So if you take a look from far away, the mural gonna be in a perfect walk area size. This first part, what I would like to start is a spray painting, because all other elements gonna go above, and it's easier for me when it's not painting anything yet to do that very smooth gradient from the top to the bottom. There's no way to avoid the dust when you're doing the smooth gradient with the spray, and you saw how I move my hand. You can see, right? So it's time to cut back with color from the background. Mural was done. I tried to show you all steps, all details of the process from the beginning to the end. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and I would like to answer. And hope you got enjoyed, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Oh, I got a bit dirty. Hey!
Cool?
Wait, the pink can looks like red.